Hello, it's LaShawn with Rooted and Reckless, and I wanted to do a quick drop by to tell you about a couple of plants that I ordered off of Palm Street. Why? Because anytime we have to order plants online and we have to go through the shipping process, I feel like we should be helping each other to make sure that we can pick the best sellers of those plants, because the worst thing is to find a plant that you love and receive it and it looks not great. And so there are some sellers that they just get it right every single time. And so when I find them, I want to share them. And so I found two, and I want to share those two with you. And I might possibly have a third. So when you're watching this, if I've gotten my third plant, I will also probably tell you about that one if I've gotten it by the time I post this update. So anyway, about a month ago, I saw an amazingly beautiful Alocasia Bambino Aurea. And let me just tell you, I don't need another plant in this house. Boom, 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 boom. And this is just what you can see on the screen. I've got plenty and I don't need another. But if I'm going to buy another, then it's definitely going to be this plant. So what did I do? I went on Palm Street and I started looking. But first stop is, yes, I'm going to go with my tried and true, my girl, my money begonia. So I reached out to her first because she has knocked it out the park every time I've ordered from her. So if you're looking for plants, definitely check her out on Palm Street. So I stopped, I sent her a message and I said, do you have a Alocasia Bambino Aurea? If so, I've got to have it. She didn't have any. She made a couple of recommendations. Unfortunately, those recommendations did not have it either. I was not able to catch it in time. They had some. I was too late to the party, so I missed out. But I did find a couple of other folks on Palm Street that did have it, and they had great reviews. So I took a chance and I ordered from 3 of them. I've gotten 2 of them so far. And like I said, if I get the third one by the time I post it and it comes in just as good a condition as the first 2, I will definitely be adding it to this video so that you know about all of them. So let's dive into it because we just already talked way too much. So again, I ordered 2 Alocasia Bambino Aureas, and they are a little bit different. Both of them are variegated. One is green on green variegation, and the other one has variegation, and I guess it's green on gold, but we'll see. They're both still very young. So I picked up the first one, and so let's talk about that one. This one is a Bambino Aurea, and this one is the one that has the green on green variegation. And I will put a close-up video of each of the leaves right over here so you'll see it. But this is an amazingly beautiful, beautiful plant. It has the pink petioles, and like I said, it does have variegation on it, and I'm just really excited about it. It looks really, really good. So let's talk about the seller. The seller is LaFuente Tropicals. This plant was shipped from Texas. It came in amazingly great condition. I mean, this plant was sheltered from the cold, the heat, whatever was coming at it, it was not getting to it. This plant looks exactly the way that it looked in the pictures. And the seller even followed up with me, sent me a message to confirm that I got the plant and that it was in really good condition, which I absolutely loved. I also like that this seller put some information about the plant, which I think is really helpful, and let me know that they use preventative beneficials, which is really helpful because, there could be ones that can hop along, and if that's not something you're used to or understand, you might be like, what? But most of beneficials, most of the people that use them, they are really small. You don't really see them. And I'm starting to get into beneficials, so I definitely don't have a problem with it, but there was a day and there was a time that I would have had a problem. So I appreciate that notice. So again, the package looked amazing, but even when I opened up the package, the plant was packaged extremely well. And so I really, really appreciate it. I feel like this plant has a huge chance for success in my home, primarily because it arrived in really, really good condition. So I'm looking forward to taking this one all the way and seeing exactly what it can do. So that's plant number one. The next plant that I want to review came from the seller Divine Foliage. And this plant also arrived in extremely perfect condition. It looked exactly the way that it looked in the video and in the pictures. I think there was a video of this, but it looked exactly the same way that it looked. It is also variegated, and it is variegated green and gold. It has the deep purple backing to the leaves and the pink petioles, which I also just fell in love with. I cannot wait to see how this plant does when it sizes up. It is extremely, extremely, extremely beautiful. And again, I'm going to put some close-ups of the leaves so you can really see how they look. This particular seller also sent some little gifts, which I absolutely love. So let's dig into it to see what they are. This seller sent a little stick that you can stick in your plants. No idea. Now, I know what this plant is, so I won't be using this for that, but I do have a plant that I have no idea, and this will be going in there. I also got this little stick mushroom. Now, my money begonia is the first person that sent me these and some of the plants that she sent, and I stuck them in my plants, and I absolutely thought they were adorable. My grandson, unfortunately, also thought they were adorable and removed them all, so I'm happy to have another one. I'll be sticking this into my plant. She also sent me a couple of other little mushrooms that I absolutely adore. I think they're really cute. And then she sent some pictures, which you could, some stickers that you can put on your pots if you choose to do so. Butterflies and another little sticker. And then, of course, a thank you business card as well. I always like getting little gifts like these. They're just adorable. And just the thought of it. So I wanted to share that just because that's something else that you have to look forward to if you order from Divine Foliage. Divine_foliage. Again, the plant shipped really quick. Both of these plants shipped really, really quick. A couple of days after I ordered them. They have their shipping schedule on their page, so you know exactly when the plant is going to ship, when it's going to arrive. So there's no surprises there. These arrived on time, which in some cases may not be in their full control because, you know, the delivery shipping people do what they do, and sometimes they're good and other times they leave a lot to be desired, and that has nothing to do with the seller. The best thing that they could do is make sure that they package it well, and both of these sellers have done that. So these plants, again, they look extremely well, in great shape, in great health. I think that they are going to transition extremely well in my home. So there's a potential that this video will be updated with another plant if it happens to arrive before I post this. Surprise, surprise. Guess what I have here? The third Alocasia Bambino that I ordered. If you're watching this far, then that means that this is an update to the first review that I did of the first two Alocasia Bambinos that I ordered. So we're going to open this and we're going to find out together what condition this has actually come in. So let's do that now. So this is the first time that I've ever received a plant in this plastic capsule. I'm just going to take a moment to pause because if you've ever wondered why sellers charge $15, $20, $25 to ship a plant, this right here, this is why. I mean, this right here is, it's got an air vent, it's sealed, like the shippers would have had to do some significant roughing up of this plant for it to be damaged. And if they did, you definitely can't blame the seller when they've invested this level of security for your plant. So I'm not expecting anything but the best in here, but let's find out. So here's the plant. One of the leaves did break off. It looked like it kind of got smashed. But otherwise, the plant looks like it is in really, really good shape. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining leaves on the plant. This is the Alocasia Bambino Aurea that has some pink in it. As you know, the other two, one had a little gold with green, and the other had two different variations of green. This one has some pink in it, which I'm really excited about. But it is in otherwise really good shape. And it looks like it is also in a self-watering setup. The other two were not. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, there is a card in here. Thank you for supporting my small business. If you have any questions or concerns, message me. And then there is a Bible verse included in the card. Very, very nice. And then, of course, my packing slip. Very, very nice. Packaged very well. I am very happy about this plant and excited about what it will do. So, how can I forget the most important part, which is to tell you who the seller is? So all credit goes to Heavenly Homestead. Heavenly Homestead, and I'll be putting that on the screen as well. Another amazing seller who has put a lot into making sure that the plants that they send and that we receive are in the highest level of health, but also are received in the highest quality. And I definitely feel like that was the case this time as well. Take a look at this beauty. So there you have it. All three plants from Palm Street, three different sellers. All of them are on my list of people that I will buy again from, and I hope you will too. If you are interested, if you're looking for buyers on Palm Street to order from, that you can feel confident in the plants that they send you, that they're going to be healthy, that they are going to arrive in good condition because the packaging is like top notch, then you definitely want to check out divine_foliage, and you want to check out LaFuente Tropicals. Again, I'm going to put their screen names on. And then, of course, you can check out my girl, My Money Begonia, who I've ordered from as well in the past and does a superior job on shipping and packing and giving you healthy plants as well. So thank you for watching. If you're still here, stay rooted and stay reckless.